we have something else to open for the holidays? I know it's after Christmas, but I do like opening things. Yes, we do. Oh, goody! And I have no regrets about buying this Sephora After Advent Calendar because it is also improved. Yes, if you saw our video of the primary Sephora Advent Calendar, it was much improved. Go back and watch it. So what is different about this one? This one is different because there is no cherry lip mask. That would have been a duplicate from the primary calendar. There are no nail files. Oh, thank God. There's no pencil sharpener for an eye pencil, although there might be an eye pencil. There is no duplicate of the rhinestones for your face or your fingers, and there is no duplicate of a hair scrunchie. Oh, wow. We have some new things in that we have some different shades or versions of products, and we get a sleeping mask and a cucumber hand mask. Oh, those are improvements. I know. I have no regrets over buying this year's After Advent Calendar. Let's take a closer look. Okay, let's go. They do give us a supersized mascara and an eyeliner. We have seen those before, yet, hey, not bad. We get a blush in the shade Flirt It Up. Oh, that will be fun for the new year. Yes, it will. We do have one lip product. This is in the shade 07. And depending upon how you look at it, it's either a bright red or it is a bit of a maroon color. It looks different depending upon the ring light or not the ring light. Oh, that is a pretty shade. Yes, something different. A nice light blue for the new year. Does it have a shade number? Yes, it does. It is shade 501 Baby Blue. We have the caffeine under eye masks. Normally, this would be both in the Advent and After Advent. This time, it's only in the After Advent. This is a vanilla lip sleeping mask, and I took a little sniff. It is heavenly. Anne is excited for the cucumber hand masks. She likes hand masks. I wonder if they make them for the hoof. I was excited to see this one. And a You okay over there? Don't mind me just choking to death. As long as you know what you're doing. And taking a quick look at the final snowflakes, this was a $35 calendar for 7 days, 8 items. They did not give us a stated value, but as near as I can tell, that would make it $5 per day. So if anything, I think we kind of broke even on some of these. Again, though, different items, and that makes a difference in desire to buy it and to use it. Exactly. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell. We've had quite a run through the Advent season. We have some fun things coming up in the future. Oh, yes, we do. Hope to see you soon. Don't forget to comment on what item you like the best and let me know if you got this calendar, because I'm nosy and I'm tired. It's been quite a run. Oh, yes, it has. We hope to see you in the new year. Yes, we do. And in anything else maybe left in this month. I don't know when this is going to go up.